While the world is focused on the latest Israel-Hamas negotiations, one country is quietly making it all happen. We're talking about Qatar. This tiny Gulf nation has become the go-to negotiator for some of the world's most complex conflicts. From hosting Taliban talks to facilitating hosted swaps, Qatar is a trusted mediator. But why is Qatar so good at this? And how does it manage to stay on all sides? The answer lies in Qatar's ability to talk to everyone. It hosts the largest US military base in the region while maintaining ties with Hamas, the Taliban, and even Iran. This neutrality makes Qatar indispensable. For example, it has hosted the Taliban's political office since 2013, paving the way for the 2020 US-Taliban peace deal. And in the Israel-Hamas conflict, Qatar not only funds humanitarian aid in Gaza, but also acts as a mediator for ceasefires and hostages exchanges. But Qatar's success isn't just about talking, it's about trust. Qatar has mediated high-stakes deals in Lebanon, Sudan, Gaza, and beyond. It has been instrumental in negotiating over 200 hostages in recent years alone. This track record makes it a reliable partner when traditional powers like the United States or even the UN face limitations. Its significant resources also enable Qatar to amplify its efforts. With the world's third largest natural gas reserves, Qatar invests heavily in diplomacy. In Gaza, it funds schools, hospitals, and salaries. It also supports global initiatives that enhance its image, like hosting the FIFA World Cup. The event wasn't just about sports. It showcased Qatar's stability, modernity, and ability to bring the world together. Regionally, Qatar has proven its resilience. When blockaded by its Gulf neighbors in 2017, it weathered the crisis and emerged stronger, showing the world its independence and diplomatic strength. By the time the blockade ended in 2021, Qatar had not only maintained its position but also expanded its role on the global stage. Even beyond Middle East, Qatar has played a role in conflicts like Ukraine, offering aid and acting as a dialogue partner. Whether it's brokering ceasefires in Gaza or mediating talks in Kabul, Qatar consistently steps in where others cannot. So what's Qatar's secret? It listens to everyone, invests where it matters, and acts when others won't. It doesn't take sides, it builds bridges. In a divided world, Qatar's diplomacy shows that credibility and action can make even the smallest nations indispensable.